Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited. FabFitFun reached out to me and asked if I wanted to partner up with them. And in the past, I have shown, well, when I first started my channel, I used to purchase the FabFitFun box. So when they reached out and asking if I wanted to partner up with them, I said, yes, absolutely. I love the box. These are 4 seasonal boxes. When you join the FabFitFun, unlike how it was when I had it like 7 years ago, where you really did, I don't think you knew what you were getting, or maybe you just were able to choose one or another. Honestly, I don't remember exactly how it worked. However, the products now, you can choose most of the products, and I think it's very reasonable. I know that my box is worth, I totaled up what I received, and it was well over $300. There are 2 ways to sign up for FabFitFun. You could either do it seasonally, do one in the spring or one in the winter, or you could just do it annually. I have the prices here in front of me. If you do it seasonally, it's $59.99 per box. And if you do it annually for the 4 boxes, it's $54.99. However, they did give me a discount code. It's Marlene Fab. So your first box will be $47.99. And I'm telling you, this is so worth it. I am so excited. Look how pretty it comes packaged in this box. I'm going to be saving this box. All right, let's get to it so I could show you the products that I received from FabFitFun. I love that it's customizable. I really do. That it is available in both the US and Canada, and the products are all full size. So that's another plus. Now, I chose products that I don't have. I've seen some content creators that have chosen products that they use because they want to have backups. I chose products that I had never tried before, and I could see how they work, and then I could let you all know about it. The total of my box ended up being $344. Had I paid for the box, it would have been $47.99 if I would have used somebody's discount code, or it would have been under the $60, either $54.99 or $59.99. Anyway, the first product that I got on my box that I chose, and I am so excited to have these are the Kate Spade Samantha glasses. I think they are so stylish, so cool sunglasses. They have a black frame, and it's a semi-gradient lenses. Aren't they pretty? I just love these type of cat eyes. So pretty. I love them. My reading glasses are very similar to these, and they're also Kate Spade. Kate Spade makes one of the sunglasses that I love the most, or the ones that I use for my reading glasses. I really needed a tumbler, and they had this one, and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that, how pretty. This tumbler is stainless steel. It's from the brand Sprinkles. This is 20 ounces, and the lid keeps it nice and secure. Fits perfectly in the console in my car. Perfect for water, for iced tea. I love it. I especially love how fun and bright the colors are. Love this tumbler. I chose this pendant. It's from Vince Camuto. It's 100% nickel free. It's 12 karat gold plated. And we have cubic zirconia stones with the brass casting on that bar. Isn't that, oh, I wasn't showing it to you. I just think it's so pretty. I'm going to put it on in just a second, but I wanted to show you. Is that not beautiful? I think it's beautiful. I'm going to put it on right now. Doesn't that look pretty? I'll zoom in the camera so you could see. I have a few Vince Camuto necklaces, and they last. And I have them out of the same material. They last a really long time. They always look so pretty and so feminine. I just love it. I have been wanting to try this product. This is the NCLA Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. I love lip masks because my lips tend to get pretty chapped. Even though I live in the hot weather, they seem to get really dry. So I always like a lip mask, but I don't like a lip mask that is greasy. And this one, I have heard such great things about it that it's not greasy. It hydrates the lips throughout the night. It's light, it's hydrating. Great formula with castor oil, shea butter, mango seed butter, and vitamin E. Has a nice little cap. This flavor that I received is the birthday cake. If it has a scent, it's so soft. There's barely a scent to it. Doesn't particularly have a taste to it. I'm thinking that throughout the day it would be good to use as well as a sleep mask. I'll keep you posted on it, but it feels really nice and hydrating on my lips. I'm always trying vitamin C's, and I've never tried this one. This one is by Tula. This is the Brightening Treatment Drops. There's 10% triple vitamin C complex, 2 types of vitamin C to brighten the look of dull skin. It evens out the skin tone, and it contains probiotics and prebiotics to restore the radiance. As I mentioned, I've never used this one before, but I was really intrigued because of all the great ingredients. It feels really nice. There's no scent to it whatsoever. It doesn't feel sticky. I think this will be perfect for in the morning. I always use a vitamin C for my morning skincare routine, and this one seems that it's going to work really nicely. I will keep you posted on it. I'll let you know how it works for me in about a month. I'll use it every day for a month, and I'll keep you posted on it. But I really like the fact that it has that dropper. I like the fact that it has the vitamin C complex, that it has the probiotic, the prebiotic. I really like that it's not sticky, because that tells me that it'll probably work really well with my hyaluronic acid, with my moisturizer, and then I always follow it up with my sunscreen. Then I follow it up with my foundation. So I will keep you posted. It has here that it's clean and effective, formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, formaldehyde, retinol, fragrance, dairy, gluten, silicone, and dimethicone free. Tula is also a cruelty-free product brand. I'm really excited to try this one. And the last item that I chose, I have seen this, I think it's Sephora. I've seen this brand, and I've wanted a body serum that had hyaluronic acid. When I saw that it was one of the items that I could choose for my FabFitFun box, I thought, okay, that's it. I need to give this a try. This is a daily hyaluronic acid treatment for the skin. So you're going to apply it wherever hydration is needed, and you could either follow it up with a moisturizer, or you could mix it with your moisturizer, which I really liked. Let me tell you a little bit about the ingredients. Okay, it has 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. It has niacinamide. It helps prevent and replenish dehydrated skin. Apply all over the body for extra hydration wherever it's needed, and then you're going to massage it in. So you have a pump. Oh yes, this is hydrating for sure. My arms have been pretty dried lately, and I've been looking for a hydrating serum. So I think this is going to work so well. I feel that as I've gotten older and as I've reached my 60s, I have areas around my arms that seem to be really dry. And I have lotions, but I don't have a hyaluronic serum that's for the body. It's already dried. It feels like the skin really soaks it up. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. I think it's going to be perfect. I am really excited with the products that I received for my FabFitFun box. Thank you again, FabFitFun, for partnering up with me and sending me these amazing products. Again, the link for FabFitFun will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my promo code so you can save a little bit of money and you could get some amazing products as I did. Let me know if you received the FabFitFun box. Let me know what you think and let me know what products you chose. You know, something that I neglected to mention is that also on the FabFitFun they have add-ons that you could add to your box, and they are at a substantial savings. They have some sales going on with like 70% off. It's really worth it. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.